Gutta Percha solid core filling material introduced by Baumann in 1867. Composition, Friedman's composition, it is very important, that is 20% Gp and 66% zinc oxide act as a filler, 11% heavy metal sulfates act as a radio opacifier, 3% waxes and resins act as a plasticizer. And modern Gp contain 20% Gp, 60 to 75% zinc oxide, waxes and resins and antimicrobial agents. Tolerance limit of Gp, that is plus or minus 0.5 mm. Chemicals used for softening Gp are halothane, chloroform and xylene. Characteristics. It is a rigid natural latex produced from the sap of rubber trees of genus Placoium gutta. It consists of two crystalline forms, that is alpha and beta phase. Beta phase is a solid and it does not shrink. If it is heat applied to the beta phase, it converted into alpha phase, that is tacky and flowable under pressure. Mainly beta phase is less shrinkage and more dimensional stability. The heat required for beta phase transformed into alpha phase is more than 65 degrees Celsius, and the amorphous form is needed for the temperature of range from 54 degrees Celsius to 64 degrees Celsius. Mainly beta phase Gp is used in lateral condensation technique, and alpha phase Gp is thermoplasticized technique. Properties. Mainly it doesn't have any adhering property, so it needs the root canal sealer material, and it is radio opaque. It can be removed easily from the root canal if it is necessary, and it is probably at least toxic and least irritating to the root canal filling material. It does not shrink after insertion unless it is plasticized with a solvent or heat, and it is easily sterilized. How sterilize the Gp? Mainly it cannot be heat sterilized. Use 5.25% sodium hypochlorite for 1 minute. It is sufficient for the sterilization of the Gp. Sizes and tapers. It have the conventional sizes, that is extra fine, fine, medium, medium, large and extra large. And also ISO 2% from size number 15 to 140, and taper percentage 4 or 6% are also available, and pro taper F1, F2, F3 that size Gutta Percha is also available. So Gutta Percha mainly it contains 20% Gp and 66% zinc oxide. It is very important. And modern Gp contain antimicrobial agent. Tolerance limit of Gp is plus or minus 0.5 mm, and beta phase is less shrinkage and more dimensional stability. Beta phase is heat applied, it transformed into alpha phase. The required temperature is more than 65 degrees Celsius, and very important is if the alpha phase is cool, then it converted into beta phase. Next important point is how sterilize the Gp, that is use 5.25% of sodium hypochlorite for 1 minute.